people, I'm going to show you how to install airshou and shou. What you want to do first is that you're going to want to go to, I'm going to take you to this link. Let me just copy it, and I will take it. Let's go to it. And it'll take you to this. Wait until it loads. Go to airshou, a iOS 9 screen recorder. It also works for iPad too. Sorry, I have some lag. Okay, there we go. Oh, still lagging. And you're going to want to click install. Install airshou. It'll take you to this. You're going to want to install airshou, but if I install, it's going to the recording and install an airshou for me. But it will going to take you to settings. It's going to take you to settings. Don't go to settings, but it will take you there, and it will take you to the profiles and this stuff. And it will show this up. And you'll have to click on, if you want to trust, you're going to want to do all that stuff. And after you do all that, you're going to want to click trust. And you're going to have to click trust again. And don't click cancel or it's not going to work. And it's going to install airshou and it's going to show up. And now for shou, you're going to have to search that one too. And give it a second. Wow, a lot of people are... Wow, YouTube... What is going on? And you want to click on shou mobile game streaming. Or you can just go to the App Store and search it. I don't think it will show up. I think it will, I don't know. But you're going to have to go Safari, because if you do not, it's not going to work. Actually, I should have done that. Sorry, I forgot you can't use Chrome. I just forgot about that. And you're going to want to search shou again. I'm going to click. It's not working. No, just search shou. Don't click on any links. Just search shou. Click on the first one, not the first one. And click on mobile game stream. It's going to take you to the App Store where you can download it. And like I said, you could just get it from the App Store and stuff. But here's where it comes to broadcasting. And once you get to there, I'm already recording, you're going to want to click on the thing that says record. And you can record anything, and after that you want to name your file. Then click next step, and go to this, and this will show up. And you're going to want to click on whoever your name is, iPad, iPhone, iPod, whatever you have that you're using. Heck, you even go to the remote. And here's the other thing, broadcasting. It's like live streaming and all that stuff. But to do that, you're going to have the shou app. You're going to, oh yeah, I forgot. You're going to, on airshou, first, I totally forgot. First you have to sign in, put in your email, and put in your password, and use your account, or you can create your own account. And you have to do the same thing for that stuff. But here it comes, and then you do the broadcast, and it will send it to shou. And and you can send it to anybody who wants to see it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this on how to get airshou and shou. Okay, guys.